short. All the casuals spread in different departments: hotel section, catering, agriculture, science, and ICT. Extra were around 61 casuals, referred to as casuals. Although by law they are not casuals. They have been working continuously for 5 years. And after writing to the university, they didn't respond. And now, we are preparing ourselves, our files, put them in order, to file this matter in court of law.
CEO, Madam Vice Chancellor, she the CEO, ni kama mzazi wetu, ni kama mama yetu, hatuna ubaya na university. We have been so loyal to the university. Tumefanya kazi vizuri for all those years, na sasa tunamuomba mahali ilifikia ndio watu wafikia hapo wasimamishwe hivyo. Anaweza kuwa anajua, anaweza kuwa ajui, but anafaa kuchukua action. Kama ni kurudisha kazi, aturudishe kazi, na atuite tuongee na yeye tusuluhishe hii. Secondly, kwa the Ministry Labor CS Alfred Mutua pia yeye ingililie aone vile tutapata nini yetu.
Hauwezi zalia hapo, ukipatwa na ball unastopishwa. Hautapatiwa even maternity leave, there is nothing you are given. Now, as for the casuals who are around, I think 3 of us are affected. I've been a victim. Nilizalia hapo mimi nilifukuzwa nikiwa na miezi 5 ya ball. Nikaenda nikazaa tena, nikarudi, they advertised for the job. I applied, I was taken again. And I have my baby. But 2 of this group, as women, they are not at work. Is it because they are women, they have given birth? So they are not supposed to work because they are called casual.
Institutions of higher learning are expected to uphold integrity, fairness, and humanity. It is painful when workers who dedicated years of service feel neglected, unfairly treated, and unheard. We are not enemies of the institution. We are individuals demanding lawful treatment, dignity, and accountability. A strong institution should never fear justice or transparency. To the CS, Alfred Mutua, Labor. Honorable CS, Kenyan workers are looking to your office for protection, not silence. Our case represents many employees who have suffered unfair treatment, intimidation, and violation of labor rights despite years of service. We are asking your ministry to prove that the law protects ordinary workers equally, regarding of status or influence. Justice delayed continues to deepen frustration among affected employees.